Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eshaal again. Today I'm showing you this beautiful and cute wool doll that I made myself yesterday, and I'm going to tell you the bit supplies you need to make it. To make it, you first need some clay. You can use any colored clay. If you want a pink face, a blue face, whatever. I use this clay to mold a round face. And then you need a pen to draw on the face. You can make any style face you want, and you need some beads to decorate the doll. Like I put a butterfly here and also a clip on the back. If you want, you can use a bead for the hair. And you need this crochet hook to make the hands, but you can also braid the hands normally if you don't know how to crochet. And you need a rod like this to push in some things and take some things out. I will tell you in a tutorial later. And you need some wool, of course. So you can use any color wool to make the hair and the body. I use purple and pink wool for the body and black hair. So that's how I made this beautiful and cute doll. Comment down below if you want a tutorial. Bye guys.